Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of 2x to the power of 6 is equal to 3. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to let a equal x to the power of 6. So if a is equal to x to the power of 6, then a to the power of 1 over 6, this would equal x, right? Meaning x is equal to a to the power of 1 over 6. So I'm actually going to plug in a to the power of 1 over 6 for x here. So we have a to the power of 1 over 6 to the power of 2a. Because remember, a is equal to x to the power of 6. And now this is equal to 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of n to the power of m, this is actually equal to a to the power of n times m. So a to the power of 1/6 to the power of 2a is equal to a to the power of 1/6 times 2a. And this is equal to 3. Now 2a times 1/6 is simply just a over 3. So we have a to the power of a over 3 is equal to 3. So now if we take the power of 3 on both sides, we get a to the power of, remember the property, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n times m. So we get a to the power of a over 3 times 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now these two simply cancel out. So for our left-hand side, we get a to the power of a is equal to, right-hand side, 3 to the power of 3. Now if we have something in the form x to the power of x is equal to y to the power of y, then this means that x is equal to y. So let's say a is x and 3 is y. This means that a to the power of a is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Also means that a is equal to 3. So 3 is our answer for a. However, remember, a to the power of 1 over 6 is equal to x. So if a is 3, then this means that x is equal to 3 to the power of 1 over 6. So this is the value of x. So that is our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 5,555 squared minus 4,444 squared. And if we have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this can actually be written as a plus b times a minus b. So in this case, 5,555 would be a, and 4,444 would be b. So now all we have to do is simply plug these values in for a and b. So this means that 5,555 squared minus 4,444 squared is equal to 5,555 plus 4,444 times 5,555 minus 4,444. So now 5,555 plus 4,444, that is simply 9,999. So we have this times 5,555 minus 4,444 is 1,111. Now 9,999 is the same thing as 10,000 minus 1. So now we have 10,000 minus 1 times 1,111. And now, using the distributive property, we can distribute the 1,111 to both terms. So now 1,111 times 10,000 is simply 1111 with 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1,111 times 1 is just 1,111. So now we have this problem, a huge number minus 1,111, and we could simply do this on paper. We're not going to waste your time by doing that. The answer to this is simply 11,108,889. So this is our answer.